Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now this video is sponsored by Alipearl Hair, and they sent me this pre-cut ready to go wig. This wig came pre-cut, it came pre-bleached, pre-plucked, it came pre-styled, and it even came with the baby hairs already done for you. But before we jump into the installation of this wig and show you guys how I end up getting the wig to look like this, let me just show you guys what they sent to me inside the package. Okay, so for the wig is a 24-inch 250 density. I got it in a medium cap and it is HD lace. It is 13 by 4. You have lace all around the front part, so you can do whatever parting space that you want. You can actually take the style out and put it in a middle part or a side part if you want. So for the package, they sent me some Alipearl headband, stocking cap, some baby hair comb, some lashes, their head scarf, a bag to put the wig in, and also some wig tape. So they did send the wig tape to give me the option of using it for the sides, because when I just put this wig on my head, the front part was actually fitting okay. The sides was where I needed to do some adjustment, but I did not want to use the wig tapes just because I am scared to use on my edges. So I went ahead and I used hairspray instead. But they do give you the option of using the wig tape if you are a wig tape girly and you know exactly how to use it. You don't need to use any glue. If you don't have any hairspray, then this will come in handy, because this will help with the sides and help to mold the sides down. But with that being said, let's just jump right into the installation of the wig. Goodness. Okay, I just need to figure out the sides though. That's the thing. Let me see the sides. I might have to spray the sides down just because, yeah, I think I might have to spray the sides down. Yeah, I'm gonna have to spray the sides down a bit. You guessed it. Yeah, I got you. Too bad I'm vibing, nigga. I'd be fine without you. Guess you found out all the mother hoes wasn't about you, and now you're gonna waste your time chasing me. Nigga, please, ain't no need to waste your time being caught up over me. Nigga, please, I don't wanna hear about it. You can tell your friends about it. It's the fact that I can actually work with the baby hairs, because normally I like my baby hairs a certain way, But the way how they did it, I can still work around it and get the baby hairs to look, you know, as how I would want them to look regardless. Oh my goodness, I'm like in awe, literally. Oh, I'm going to be adding some concealer to the part. I started already, like I put some here and some here. I'm just trying to do the middle part because only
Girl, you only get one pass and you used it. You used it, amusement. So funny how you used to flex, how'd you lose it? Now you look so stupid, and it's so amusing. Your effort is so useless, and now you're gonna waste your time chasing me. Please, ain't no need to waste your time being caught up over me. Nigga, please, I don't wanna hear about it. You can tell your friends about it. Don't tell your friends about it. Don't tell your friends about it. Don't tell them what you see, how I wrote, how I did it on the low. Don't tell your friends about it. Tell them niggas, tell them bitches, tell them niggas I'm just living. Tell them how you thought you was the nigga fucking bitches. Now you wishing you were with me, living life so chill. Oh, what the fuck was you thinking? You probably wasn't even thinking. Oh shit. Now you gotta tell your friends about it. Gotta tell them how you fucked up on the inside.
So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Once again, I would love to thank Alipearl here for sponsoring this video. The link to the wig will be down in the description box. If I have a coupon code, it will be down in the description box as well. But for now, this is the end, and I will definitely see you guys in my next one. Bye.
Yeah, whole lot of red rubies on my neck.